Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Me, Marieti Debiora Gardiana, and my team, Andre Novi Rahmanto and Ignatius Agung Satiawan, would like to talk about the role of public relation practitioners in improving the service quality of Universitas 11 Maret. We are from Faculty of Social and Political Sciences, Universitas 11 Maret, Surakarta, Indonesia. Regulation of the Minister for Empowerment of State Apparatus and Bureaucratic Reform of the Republic of Indonesia, number 6 of 2014, concerning functional position of government public relation and credit scores, formulate government public relation as official given full duties, responsibilities, authorities, and rights to carry out information and public relations service activities. The activities cover planning, information services, internal and external relation implementation, public relation communication audit, and developing information and public relation services. Rector Regulation Number 64 of 2020 concerning organization and work procedures of elements under the UNS Chancellor, dated December 18, 2020, declared that information and public relations services at UNS is under the management of the Technical Implementation Unit of Public Relations and Media. It is an organizational structure supporting academic and non-academic services, especially in promotion and public relations services, media publication, and documentation. UNS achieved the Public Relations Award for Public University for 4 consecutive years. At 2020, UNS reached Best Champion 3 for press conference and press release, and First Champion social media at level autonomous public university. Nurjana at 2015 resumed that public relation officer activities at the 10 universities in Yogyakarta, focus more on publicity activities with the mass media or media relation, such as inviting press colleagues, writing press release, holding press conference, holding press tours and press gathering, in addition to incidental activities such as promotion, compiling advertisement in public areas, and collaborating with national and international parties. The role of public relations officer is excluded at the managerial level, a strategic and ideal position for public relations as a problem-solving facilitator. To enter a managerial level position that automatically has direct access to agency leaders, public relation practitioners must equip themselves with knowledge and abilities in the management field to expand their function, not only limited to the technical level. Ruslan at 2016 explained, in addition to managerial knowledge, public relation practitioner must also have the following supporting skills, such as creator, conceptor, mediator, and problem solver. Kriantono, 2014, write out the relationship management theory developed by John Ladingham and Stephen Bruning, stating that public relations must play a role in balancing the interests of the organization with stakeholders, which can be achieved by managing the relationship between the organization and its stakeholders. In other words, institution must build good relation with stakeholders through their public relation. According to Iriantara 2004, the organization vision and mission are translated into the vision, mission, and goals of public relation. In accordance with the situational theory by Grunig, stakeholders are situational, meaning that when there are changes in situation, problems, constraints, opportunities, or issues in the organization, the public experience changes. Problem recognition and level of involvement affect the public receiving and processing of information related to an issue. In this research, we use a qualitative method by in-depth interview with the informants. There are 3 public relations staff of UNS which have at least 5 years of experience as public relation officer. The result of this research are, first, the competence and the role of UNS public relation officers remains limited as a communication technician and has not acted as a communication managers involved in a program planning. Second, public relation officers are tasked with maintaining good and harmonious relationship with all stakeholders. So it needs to implement the managing by walking around, the strategy to identify problem and obstacle at the technical level early on, and then forward them to the more competent party. The problem will not enlarge and extend beyond the agency if addressed early on. Third, in addition to having technical communication skills and carrying out their function in organizational activities, a public relation practitioners must also have managerial skills, one of which is the ability to make plans. Planning is an effort performed consciously and continuously and managed to choose the best alternative from the various alternatives available to achieve certain goals so that the organization is expected to be more productive, efficient, and effective in achieving its goals. Several models can be used as a reference for public relation planning. However, this study utilized the simplest planning model by Cutlip and Center with the following steps: fact-finding, planning and decision-making, communicating and implementing, and evaluation. With the planning stage carried out by public relation officer who has entered the management level, it is hoped that the performance of the university will be more focused and able to handle problems effectively and efficiently in the event of a change or crisis. Public relation officers of UNS should be involved in the planning stage, not solely as program implementers, to optimize their role and carrying out their function both at the technical and managerial level. The ability to handle problems effectively and efficiently in the event of a change or crisis would enhance their service quality and improve the reputation of the university. Okay, in this nice occasion, we would like to thank the committee of the 7th International Conference on Social and Political Science, the informants, Institute for Research and Community Service, International Office UNS, and Faculty of Social and Political Science UNS, who supported the completion of this research. That's all for our presentation today, and thank you so much for your attention.